Thanks for joining us at Cities and Seashores, your West Coast travel guides. Today we're here at Qualicum Falls in British Columbia. Time to go chase some waterfalls.
Let's go!
Welcome back. Today we're taking you deep into the heart of Vancouver Island to explore one of the most peaceful and powerful nature escapes, Qualicum Falls Provincial Park. This park is a perfect stop, whether you're road tripping the island, traveling with family, or just craving a quiet walk surrounded by old-growth forest and flowing water. Our hike today starts at the lower falls, winds gently through the picnic and forested area, and finishes at the dramatic upper falls. So let's take it step by step. I know it's hard to take your eyes off the view, but do remember to watch your step. We're beginning our walk at the lower Qualicum Falls, where the sound of the river immediately sets the tone. Here the water moves fast but wide, cascading over smooth rock formations that have been shaped over thousands of years. This section feels especially calming. The falls are powerful but not overwhelming. It's a great place to pause, take photos, or just stand still and listen.
Cities and Seashores here, your West Coast tour guide. We're here at Qualicum Falls, and this is the lower level. Just a beautiful little strip of multiple falls, and let's go check them out.
Oh, so peaceful to stand there on the bridge and just have all the water flowing around you and under you. Just breathing in the fresh air. Love every minute of it. The surrounding forest is lush and green, filled with Douglas fir, western red cedar, and moss-covered branches that feel straight out of a fairy tale. If you're visiting in spring or after rainfall, the river really comes alive here. We're here in the summer, so let's check out the difference. As we reach the end of the trail, we find what looks like a big beaver dam. Even though these falls aren't that big, these large logs piled up at the end here prove otherwise. Although it's serene and pretty calm right now, I do not recommend it as a swimming spot. This definitely shows that the water must get much higher and rougher to be able to carry these logs down. That would be so cool to see. We love seeing rivers at all their different levels and flow states. I guess we'll have to come back. So we've reached the end of the trail and we'll head back up and see what else we can see.
This is just a gorgeous little section of series of waterfalls flowing down the river. The water is crystal clear. You can see the little pebbles in the bottom, and it's just a beautiful green aquamarine color. That fresh air smells so good. Let's go see what the upper falls has to offer.
The trail opens up into the picnic area, a peaceful clearing surrounded by forest. This is a popular stop for good reason. It's quiet, spacious, and ideal for a relaxed lunch or rest break. If you're planning a visit, this is a great spot to bring a coffee, a snack, or even make this park a full afternoon stop. There are washrooms nearby, and the area feels welcoming without taking away from the natural setting. From here, you can already sense the energy shifting. The river grows louder, and the trail hints at something bigger ahead. One of the best parts of Qualicum Falls Provincial Park is how quiet it feels. Even when other visitors are around, the forest absorbs sound, leaving you with birdsong, rustling leaves, and the steady flow of the river nearby. This stretch is perfect for slowing your pace. It's the kind of trail that encourages you to look up, notice the light filtering through the trees, and really settle into the moment.
Honestly, I'm glad this fence is here because I, for one, would be probably getting a lot closer than I should to try to get the best shot on the next closest view. But obviously, it's a really long ways down and we don't want to do that.
And now, we arrive at the Upper Qualicum Falls, the most dramatic part of the park. Here, the river narrows and drops with force, crashing into the canyon below. The power of the water is unmistakable, especially after heavy rain or snowmelt. There are several viewpoints in this section, each offering a slightly different perspective. From above, you can see the raw energy of the falls. From the side, you feel the mist and hear the deep echo of water hitting rock. This area really highlights the untamed beauty of Vancouver Island. Rugged, wild, and constantly moving. Take your time here. This is a spot that invites you to stand still, breathe deeply, and just watch.
Have you ever seen such clear, clean water? Just so beautiful. That's where we're headed. That's where we want to go. We want to get to the waterfall back there in the brush. So let's keep moving, see what we can see.
Qualicum Falls Provincial Park is one of those places that doesn't demand much from you. It simply offers space to slow down. The hike is short but rewarding, making it ideal for families, casual hikers, road trip stops between destinations. It's open year-round, and each season brings something different, from roaring winter flows to calm summer walks. If you're exploring Vancouver Island, this park is absolutely worth adding to your route.
We had such a great time at this park. I would totally recommend stopping in at Qualicum Falls if you get the chance. It had everything you'd want for a little day trip. Waterfalls everywhere you looked, beautiful clean river, sunshine, you're out in nature, you have a picnic. What more can you ask for?
Thanks so much for exploring Qualicum Falls Provincial Park with us. If you enjoyed this walk through Vancouver Island, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more West Coast adventures. This is Cities and Seashores, your West Coast travel guides. Until next time, travel slowly, and we'll see you on our next adventure.